Hey everybody, welcome back to your monthly market stats for the month of November. We're looking at the beautiful city of Waterdown. Let's jump into the finer details. All right, first set of numbers, we're seeing some interesting things here. Months of inventory is coming down a little bit. Some properties are not hitting the market or being pulled off the market as we get into the slower type of season. Average days on market going up a little bit more than 30 days. Basically, properties are taking just a tiny bit longer to actually get sold. And what's very interesting is the average sale price has actually come up about 7.7% from the last year. What's also interesting from all the craziness that's been going on, if you're looking at last year's information, we're right about the same price. So what is that telling us? We're seeing property prices that have reached the peak, the bottom rather, and starting to come up a bit. Could be a great time to getting into the market, especially before we start to see interest rates start to come down. That's going to create more competition, going to drive more demand, and going to increase the prices even more. Okay, let's look at the first set of numbers on the top here. Over the past 11 months of 2023, we are seeing, a little bit of a blip, a little bit of up and down. Basically, average selling price is right around the about $980,000 in that price point here. So we're starting to see maybe a little bit of a flattening out here as we're going to get into the 2024. And also on the bottom graph here, we're only showing a little bit of numbers here from 2022 going to 2023, it looks like the average price is coming down. But if you think about it on the much bigger scale, especially looking at the bigger Hamilton region, we're seeing a positive trend going up. So this is a good example. When you look too closely in, you might see the prices coming down. But on the bigger scale, over year, multiple years, you're seeing that the prices are actually coming up. Please look at the other videos to have a good indication of that. Last set of numbers here. So what's very interesting is the average selling price to listing price, anywhere between 96 to about 98% of the property prices that are listed. So what is that telling us? It's telling us that the sellers have to actually come down with the pricing a little bit to actually get the property sold because their valuation of the properties are not actually realistic. It has to be selling at a lower price. Now, what does that mean for buyers? It means that the 96 to 98%, the 94% is telling us that there is negotiating room. You are going to get better value, and it's a good time to be getting into the market with some conditions as well to better protect you as well. Before we getting into the spring and summertime, interest rates are going to come down, demand's going to be up, and it's going to drive the home prices to go back up again. So if you're looking for that opportunity, that window to actually get into the property you're looking for, whether you're a first-time home buyer or you are making that move up, it could be a great time now. Let's take advantage of it. So my name is Tarek Alibak. Here's my phone number. There's my email address. Let's have a quick chat, and we can always have a good chat about what's best suited for you. Thank you so much. We'll see you next month. Bye-bye.